Anti-aging foot care, natural ingredients for soft and smooth feet. Title: Anti-aging foot care, natural ingredients for soft and smooth feet. Introduction. As we age, taking care of our feet becomes increasingly important. Our feet can experience dryness, roughness, calluses, and other signs of aging that need special attention. While there are numerous products available on the market to address foot-related concerns, turning to natural ingredients can provide a nourishing and effective solution. In this article, we will delve into the world of anti-aging foot care and explore a range of natural ingredients that can help attain soft and smooth feet. Importance of foot care. Oftentimes, our feet are neglected in our daily skincare routines as the focus remains on our face and hands. However, proper foot care is essential to maintain overall health and hygiene. As we age, the skin on our feet tends to lose moisture, elasticity, and firmness, making it more susceptible to dryness, cracks, and other related issues. By incorporating anti-aging foot care practices into our routine, we can combat these signs of aging and ensure our feet remain comfortable and beautiful. The power of natural ingredients. Natural ingredients have been used for centuries in skincare routines due to their potent properties and ability to enhance the skin's health. When it comes to anti-aging foot care, natural ingredient can nourish, moisturize, and rejuvenate the skin, helping to combat dryness, reduce roughness, and improve overall appearance. Key natural ingredients for anti-aging foot care. 1. Shea butter. Shea butter, derived from the nuts of the shea tree, is a rich source of vitamins A, E, and F, as well as fatty acids that deeply moisturize and nourish the skin. Regular use of shea butter can help restore moisture to dry and cracked feet, promoting softness and suppleness. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil, with its high concentration of fatty acids, is an excellent natural moisturizer. It can help soften the skin and reduce the appearance of roughness and calluses. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties can aid in preventing infections and keeping the feet healthy. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel, known for its soothing and hydrating properties, can provide relief to dry and irritated feet. It helps to lock in moisture, promotes healing, and soothes inflammation, leaving the skin smoother and softer. 4. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural antiseptic that can prevent and treat foot-related infections such as athlete's foot. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help combat symptoms like itching, redness, and odor while maintaining foot hygiene. 5. Epsom salt. Soaking your feet in warm water with Epsom salt can work wonders in reducing swelling, soothing tired feet, and relieving joint pain. The magnesium in Epsom salt also aids in exfoliation, promoting often rejuvenated skin. 6. Lemon. Lemon juice, being rich in citric acid, helps soften dead skin cells and eliminate impurities. Regular use of lemon juice can lighten darkened skin on the feet and reduce the appearance of age spots, leaving behind a brighter and more even tone. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil, known for its nourishing properties,